Open Photoshop and import the image. Now I want to add HDR tone effect on this image. So select the background layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy of this layer. Right click on this and select Convert to Smart Object. Now this layer is being converted to the smart object. Now double click on the thumbnail of the layer. It will open a new layer. So we apply HDR tone effect on this image. Go to image, select adjustments, then select HDR tuning. Select yes. Now you can change these settings, and there are some presets of HDR tone: city twilight, monochromatic, artistics. This is the perfect. Photoshop, photorealistic, high contrast. There is a low contrast, but the high contrast is good. You can also change these settings, the curves, but now select OK. It will take time. Now press Ctrl S to save all the settings. Now go to first layer. Now as you can see this, all the settings are being applied on this layer. This is the before and this is the after. Select here, press Ctrl I. Select brush tool and select default colors, pressing D on your keyboard. Select a soft brush and rub it where you want the HDR tone. So it's looking good. This is the before, this is the after. Now press Ctrl Shift A to open camera raw. Make sure that the layer is selected. Now make little bit adjustments. Make its highlights to -100 or about 90. It will add a rich tone effect in your image. As you can see, this is on 0, this is -100. Then select OK. Or you can adjust it with the layers, with the curves. Select OK. Now click here and make a solid color layer. Select the black color, select OK. Select the mask layer, then select eraser, click the soft razor, and erase it. Now press Ctrl T. Press enter and make its opacity down about 70%. So it's done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.